And we're connected.
We're connected, so that's great. So it will start in just a couple minutes, and you'll see the live. We'll see it go live. Maybe I may have to reload. That's a possibility. No, it's not reloading. So we know it's going live, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it just maybe takes. There's a minute delay. And these three dots here, if someone wants to chat with us, you can just pop it out.
Can you show that again, Deanne?
Yeah, for sure. I'll just close it up. So these three dots here, if you open those three dots and you just go pop out, you can chat with us. So if you're here, please chat. Please chat. And also, I don't know if we can tell if people are watching or not. Like, I'm not really sure. It always seems to show a 0, so I don't really know. But let's go over here and I'll do some hooking, and we'll see. We'll just wait. And can you tell if anyone's viewing, Ange? Or?
I don't know.
No, I don't know either. So I've got a rug that I'm just finishing up. You can help me finish it, you guys. And then I'm going to take these 3 rugs off the frame, and I'm going to decide. I've got such good ideas for new beginner kits, 6x6s. I'm excited to share them with you today. I think of the next week, I'm going to do a bunch of 6x6s, and I think I might do a field series. And someone said like a house series. You could do a house series. You could do a wave series. Wouldn't it be great if we could do that? So now we are actually going live from our website. We can't tell who's watching.
I heard a ding.
I heard a ding too, but I don't know what that means really.
I wonder if somebody's chatting.
I don't know. Did someone chat? Did someone say something to us? No, it's still saying 0 views, but I know there is people watching now. Pop out the chat. Pop it out. And Margaret Coulter, I'm watching, but it says 0 at the top. Yes, I don't know why, Margaret. I don't know why. I don't know why.
Oh, I've got 4.
Oh, you've got 4. Oh, so maybe it takes a little while. That's great. Oh, I don't know why. Oh, now it says 4. Thanks, Margaret. So, do you guys want to see the 3 rugs? Do you want to see the 3 rugs that I made over the last week? I'll just see. Now it says 4. Margaret says now it says 4. So that's good. So people, we can tell who's watching. I think because, we're just going live randomly right now in the next week or 2. And then we're just going to do a bunch of random lives, Ange, just to keep it up. So just to see, I want to show you these 4 rugs. I'm pretty excited about them. There's 3 rugs. So let's take them off the frame. And I need to get, I need some old scissors. I'm going to see if there's a pair of old scissors out there. Oh, darn, I don't have them. Okay. Alrighty.
There could be some on my shelf, Deanne.
Maybe some on your shelf?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, this is an older pair here, I think. Okay. So this was the one I did on the last Thursday live. And we have 8 people watching now, Aunt.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. So that's great for a random live. Just teach people how to find us. It's going to be so much fun. And after, we'll probably pop this and share it on our Facebook page, but we want to originate from here where you can reach without distraction of 100 advertisements. Okay, here we go. Let's see. So these are the 3 rugs. And I'm just going to go see if I can find a pair of older scissors. Oh, they're nice.
Oh.
All 3 of them are really nice. This is going to be a hard choice, Ange.
And she walks over it in her boots. Gets me every time.
So I like this one. This is sort of based on this tree that I love on the blueberry field on the way to Parsboro. Norma, if you're watching, we need you again. So let's have a look at this one. Oh, came out great.
colors are beautiful.
Yeah, the colors are beautiful. And I like this one too. I'm not unhappy with this one. This one here. So we still have some people watching?
We have 10.
Oh, awesome. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to show you the chat again, and I'd like you to the 3 dots below the video. If you can press on those, then you can chat with us and tell us what you think, and someone can respond to you. I'll respond to you. So there's another one. I like that one. I don't know if I like that one quite as much.
I love that one.
Do you?
I do.
Oh. Well, okay. Let's vote in the chat. Which one do you think should be our new field rug kit? Okay, so you have to answer in the chat and all. So here we go. There's number 1 with the red bushes in the corner. And here's number 2 with the wine field. And here's number 3 with the big tree. So do you think the big tree, the wine field, or number 1 with the wine in the corner? So you guys can tell us what you think. And I'm going to pop out my chat. They're all pretty nice.
They are. They're beautiful. The colors. So rich.
Yeah, they're all pretty nice. So I'm just going to pop out the chat here and see what people are saying. Now it says those rugs are beautiful. The big tree, Donna Meyer said she'd like to see the big tree. So let's show them how to do the chat again, Ange. So what you do is you go down here in those 3 dots right there underneath the video. And you pop it out, and then you can ask anything you want. Gail Timmer, I like them all, but I love the tree. So everybody's saying the big tree. Well, that's interesting. I would not have thought the big tree. So the next thing I want to do is I want to show you how to share with this. So you go down here and you can share the videos to your Pinterest page, your Google account, Twitter, or Facebook. So most people will want to share to Facebook. So you just click share and log into your account, and you can share with Facebook. Or you can go share with Twitter. I'll just share it here, this little video. And I'm just going to say, we are going live from our website. And I'll tweet it. Just simple as that. So you can do that if you want. You can still share, and we really want you to share. So that would be great if you could still share share our videos on Facebook. And that's great. I'm just excited. So the big tree is what people are saying. The big tree. Pop out. I'm going to see if we have any more on the chat. So someone's going to have to do the chat separately, Ange. You won't be able to do the chat, I don't think. Okay. Marilyn Pilkington says the big tree too. So that's awesome, you guys. I really appreciate that. The big tree. So what do I know? All right, I'm gonna put my blues away. I had to open some new blues. I just gonna put these blues away and keep it all tidy and nice. And maybe we will. I'll pop it out to Joe. I don't know. It is awesome, isn't it? The big tree. And I think if that was framed, that would look really great. Let's take them on a little studio tour while we're here, and we're going live. I think. Put my blues away, and we'll do that. Okay. So come on out. Let's see how far we can go before we lose you.
Yeah, we might lose you.
Oh, we got to be careful out here because our next year's rug is there. We won't want to show anybody that. So we can't do that yet because we haven't got it covered up.
Oh, that was close.
That was close, so we'll just wait until next year. But anyway, some of you may have gotten a peek out of it, and that's okay. But anyway, thanks for watching today, and I'm going to keep doing these little lives and just having fun and learning. We're also trying to create new packaging for our beginner kits, trying to switch to a cardboard instead of that hard PET plastic. So we're working on that, and we're doing all kinds of things here at the studio. See you later. Take care.